by-election as a litmus test in observing how well the ruling party and the government are aligning themselves with electoral reforms. The by-election will further act as a barometer in understanding Zanu-PF's strengths in rural areas, not on constituency being a peri-urban constituency. The recent Zanu-PF win in Mazoe North would appear to indicate Zanu-PF party still maintains an iron grip in the rural areas. Whether by fair means or foul, it is up for debate. However, the result remains in their favor and shows that the rural communities continue to be areas where most work is required to see any meaningful democratic change. We need to be very honest. The thing won in Mazoe against a situation where the economy is on its knees. And what message is that sending at the end of the day? So I think we need to get parties contest in elections, but not only just to contest, but to also win elections. Certainly, the third force is the economic crisis, which everybody is facing. So clearly, if that victory in Mazoe North if that victory in Mazoe North is a clear indicator that Zanu-PF is still popular at the end of the day, whether you think like it or not. There was no report of intimidation. There was no report of violence. Zanu-PF had 12,000 votes, over 12,000 votes. The other candidate had just under 1,000 at the end of the day. From a percentage point of view, with the current situation that we've seen, Tajamuka, this flag, the war veterans, the marches and so forth, have they really gotten to the people who matter at the end of the day?